Let's learn to build classes in Python so we can understand the importance of object-oriented programming. This is a class. It has a docstring and the class attribute color. It also has a method sayHi that prints hi. We could also define a function inside sayHi. Orange is an object of this class. Orange is a fruit. It doesn't have the shape attribute, but it does have now. And this is its color. This is an empty string right now. Let's redefine this class. The size method takes an argument and displays the size using that. Orange is a fruit. It is of size 7. Once again, this is class fruit. The init magic method helps initialize values. Python uses a default init if we don't provide any. Here it sets the values for color and size. The salutation function displays these values. Now orange is a fruit that is orange in color and is of size 7. I am orange and a size 7. Classes can have functions as well, but this function salutation belongs to the class, not to an object of this class. We can also delete attributes and objects and classes. Let's do some problems now. Candidate. Write a class that evaluates candidates' scores on an exam. A correct answer adds 4 to the score and an incorrect one takes away 1. This class has 4 methods: init, correct, incorrect, and evaluate. Init initializes the score to 0, correct increments it by 4, incorrect decrements it by 1, and evaluate displays the score. Riley is a candidate appearing for this examination. She has 1 correct answer, another correct answer, 1 incorrect answer, another correct answer, and 1 more incorrect answer. She has scored 10 points. Temperature. Write a class that handles temperature. The absolute zero is minus 273.15 degrees Celsius and the class can convert temperatures between the Celsius and Fahrenheit formats. This is the temperature class. It has an attribute for the absolute zero temperature at minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. One function converts from Fahrenheit to Celsius and the other does the opposite. Now Oregon is an object of this class. At 19 degrees Celsius, it has a temperature of 66.2 degrees Fahrenheit.